Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all my dear students. How are you? All are fine? Very good. I hope you all are fine, safe at your home, stay healthy and happy. Okay? And enjoy your online session. Okay? Your online study, your online session. Okay? So you study or not at your home? You have to study, okay, because your exams are there, so you have to study. Okay, follow all the topics in your online classes and write on your notebook. Okay, so now first you tell me, what is your school name? What is your school name? The name of your school is Gokuldas Public School, Khargone. You say, my school name is Gokuldas Public School, Khargone. Okay, now which class do you study? So you study in LKG class. So you say, I am studying in LKG class. Okay. Now which period is going on? So subject EVS. Which subject is going on? EVS subject. In your previous videos, we have to learn colors name. Yes, you have to learn colors name, all the colors. You know all the colors: red, yellow, blue, green, black, orange, and you learn the spelling also. So now we study festivals name. Okay, in your syllabus festivals are there. So today we are going to start festivals. Okay, how many festivals? How many festivals are there? First, Dashera. Okay. What is the Dashera? What we will do on Dashera? On Dashera, we will wear new clothes. Okay, going to your relatives home, you go. Very good. And what we will doing? Ravan Dahan. हम रावण को जलाते हैं ना उस दिन. So on Dashera, we burn the Ravan. Okay, and go to the relatives for meeting on Dashera. Okay. So man is Ravan Dahan. So here we will make the picture of Ravan. Ravan have 10 heads. Okay, Ravan have 10 heads. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Ravan have 10 heads. So on Dashera, we will burn the Ravan. Okay. Dhal and Talwar. Okay. So on Dashera, we burn the Ravan. Okay. So this is Dashera festival. On Dashera, we will burn the Ravan, and Ravan have 10 heads. So the image of Ravan is like this. Okay, this is Mukut and all 10 heads. Ravan have 10 heads. रावण के कितने सिर होते हैं? 10 सिर होते हैं. You see रावण? Yes, रावण का पुतला जलाते हैं दशहरे पे. So this is रावण. Okay. So like this we will celebrate Dashera. On Dashera we burn the Ravan and go to their relatives for meeting. Okay. हम लोग हमारे जो रिलेटिव्स होते हैं उनसे मिलने जाते हैं. Okay, so this is Dashera. You understand what is Dashera? Okay. So after Dashera, we'll celebrate Diwali. After Dashera, we will celebrate Diwali. Okay. On Diwali, we will burn the diyas. Okay. So here we will make diya, picture of diya. So this is the diya. On Diwali, we'll burn the diyas, all the diyas, and ready for your house. आप house को सजाते हो ना दियों से, series lights से. So this is on Diwali. Why we celebrate Diwali? Because भगवान राम उस दिन अपने घर आए थे. So हम इसीलिए हम दिवाली सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. ओके, भगवान राम हमारे उनके खुद के घर आए थे. सो ऑन दिस डे वी विल सेलिब्रेट दिवाली, और दिए भी हम जलाते हैं इसीलिए. सो ऑन दिवाली वी विल बर्न द diyas. So this is the Diwali. Okay, when the image of Ravan, Dashera, image of Diya, Diwali. Okay, now on number 3, on number 3, celebrate Rakhi. So what is the main image of Rakhi? Okay, so this is Rakhi. Rakhi tying on your hand. Okay. It's also called Raksha Bandhan. Okay, Raksha Bandhan. On Raksha Bandhan, what we will do? On Raksha Bandhan, we tie a Rakhi on your brother's hand. Okay, Raksha Bandhan. On Raksha Bandhan, we tying Rakhi on your brother's hand. You tying also? आपके भाई को राखी बांधते हो ऑन रक्षाबंधन. सो दिस इज रक्षाबंधन. आपके जो ब्रदर होते हैं वो आपकी हेल्प करते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई वी विल, हम उन्हें राखी बांधते हैं भाई को. सो ऑन रक्षाबंधन वी टाइंग ऑन राखी ऑन योर ब्रदर्स हैंड. ओके, सो दिस इज रक्षाबंधन. व्हेन द इमेज ऑफ राखी, सो विच ओकेशन? रक्षाबंधन. ओके, on number 4, all 3, you understand all the 3 festivals? Now after Raksha Bandhan, new festival is Holi. Holi. What is Holi? On Holi, we will play with colors. You understand what is colors? Yes, in your previous video we learned the colors name. So on Holi, we will play with colors, pichkari, with water, with flour. So on Holi, we will play with colors. For Holi picture is, we'll make pichkari. So this is pichkari. Like this, you spread like this and color out of the pichkari. So this is pichkari. Okay, color pichkari, fill with water, color. Okay. Okay, so on Holi we will play with Pichkari, with colors. We'll celebrate Holi. Dashera, burn the Ravan. On Diwali, burn the diyas. On Raksha Bandhan, tying a Rakhi. And on Holi, we'll colors. We play with colors, play with Pichkari and play with water. Okay, so all four festivals in Hindu mythology. Okay, now another festival is Guru Parva. Okay, what is Guru Parva? This is for Punjabi festival. Okay, Guru Parva. This is also called Guru Purab also and Guru Parva also. So Guru Parva. The image of Guru Parva is, look here. Okay, the sign of Punjabi Guru Parva is this. So when see here, the festival is Guru Parva. Okay, when you see this sign, we'll play with Guru Parva. What we will do on Guru Parva? On Guru Parva, we go Gurudwara and pray. Okay, for pray. On Guru Parva, we go Gurudwara and pray. Okay, pray for her and pray for all. Okay, so this is Guru Parva. This is Punjabi festival. This is Hindu festivals. Dashera, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, Holi. Okay, and this is Punjabi festivals. After Guru Parva, we'll celebrate Christmas. Okay, so after this, we'll play Christmas. On Christmas, what we will do? On Christmas, we will decorate the tree, Christmas tree. You see Christmas tree. Okay, so this is Christmas tree. We decorate Christmas tree with stars, with balls. Okay, we decorate the Christmas tree. When the sign is Christmas tree, we celebrate Christmas. What we will do on Christmas? On Christmas, we go for church and pray for all. Okay, on Christmas, we go to the church and pray for all. Okay, so all the festivals we celebrate on different days. Okay, so now we will do only write first letter. Don't write on full spelling. Now we are small, so we will write only the first letter. When you see the picture of Ravan, so you recognize which festival is this? Dashera. So you write only D, capital D. D for Dashera. Okay, so you learn the spelling and you learn the first letter of the spelling. Okay, so on Dashera we will write D. On Diwali also we will write D, but the sign is different. Here the Ravan pictures are there and here Diya. So on Diya we also write D. D for Diwali. First D for Dashera and second D for Diwali. Now after the picture of Rakhi. So what we will do on Rakhi? You write R. R for Raksha Bandhan. You know what is the spelling. Okay, you orally you say what is the festival is, but you write only first letter R for Raksha Bandhan. Now next is Pichkari. Now play with Pichkari, play with color. So which festival? Holi. So H for Holi. You write only H. D for Dashera, D for Diwali, R for Raksha Bandhan and H for Holi. This is Hindu festival. Now we will do Guru Parv. What is Guru Parv? When the sign is this, like this, recognize in your mind this is the Guru Parv. So G, capital G for Guru Parv. Capital G for Guru Parv. Okay. And on next, Christmas. When the picture of Christmas tree. You decorate the Christmas tree. So when the picture of Christmas tree, right here capital C. Capital C for Christmas. Capital G for Guru Parv and capital C for Christmas. So all the festival you write first letter. Okay. First you see the picture, then revise on your mind which festival is this. Okay, revise on your mind which festival is this. Then you revise which festival and write the first letter. Like D for Dashera. Okay, repeat after me all. This is your oral session, so don't write on your notebook. Only orally revise and repeat after me. Okay. So D for Dashera, D for Diwali. When the Ravan is there, D for Dashera. When the Diya is there, D for Diwali. Okay, understand all? Now Rakhi. When the Rakhi is there, R for Raksha Bandhan. Okay. When the Pichkari is there, H for Holi. Now this sign for Guru Parv. So G for Guru Parv and C for Christmas. Christmas trees are there. So C for Christmas. So all the festival, you understand all the festival, what we will celebrate the festival and why. Okay. On Dashera, we burn the Ravan. On Diwali, we will burn the diyas when Shri Ram Chand अपने घर वापस आए थे. So we will celebrate Diwali. Diya. Now Raksha Bandhan, tying the Rakhi on your brother's hand. Okay. Holi, play with colors. Guru Parv, go to Gurudwara and pray for all. And on Christmas, go to church and pray for all and decorate the Christmas tree. Okay, in your school also we celebrate Christmas. You know how to celebrate Christmas? Yes. So last year we celebrate Christmas festival. In this year we will not play Christmas. Okay. In December we will celebrate the Christmas. But in this December we don't celebrate. So at your home you wear the Santa Claus dress and give it toffee to all, your mama, your papa, your grandpa, your grandma. Okay. So we celebrate the Christmas on December. In December we also celebrate Diwali. Okay. So at your home you celebrate your festivals with happiness and lots of energy. Okay. And safe at your home. Okay. Don't go outside and don't eat outside food. Okay. This is harmful for you. So don't eat स्वीट्स एंड ऑल आउटसाइड योर होम। इन आपको घर पे ही सारे स्वीट्स बनाना है और घर की चीज़ें खाना है, ओके? बाहर की चीज़ें नहीं खाना है, ओके? दिस इज़ हार्मफुल फॉर यू। सो इन दिस फेस्टिवल सेफ एट योर होम एंड eat only home sweets, okay? Don't eat outside food, okay? So this session for festivals name. Now I'm over my session. In next session we will write festivals, okay? And write first letter of festival. You make the pictures like this and write only first letter, okay? So now bye, have a nice day.